What is up guys, Photo Fever here and welcome back to another Tuesday 2-minute tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can easily sharpen the eyes using Photoshop. And I'm going to start right now. Right guys, so the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and choose a photo. And today I'm going to be working with this photo, which as you can see, if we go ahead and zoom into the eye section, you can see that we've ever so slightly missed the focus. And we can easily fix this by using a high pass filter. So what we're going to do is we're going to firstly go ahead and duplicate the background layer. So we've got our background layer here, and we're going to go ahead and press Command J on our keyboard. And as you can see in the layers panel, it has been duplicated. Then what we want to do is go up to filter, and you want to drop down all the way to other, and then you want to go ahead and select high pass. Now what high pass does is it creates a high contrast edge with a 18% grey colour behind it. And what you want to do is select between the numbers of 1 to 10 pixels. The sharper the image will be, the higher the pixel radius number. So I'm going to pick a middle number of 5 for this tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And as you can see, the photo is pretty much ruined. So what we need to do is simply change the blending mode of this to overlay. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we've got our layer here. You can rename it Sharpen if you like. So I'm going to rename it Sharpen. What we're going to do is go to our blending mode options, and then I'm going to go ahead and drop down to overlay. And as you can see, we've now got that layer and it looks invisible. But if we go ahead and zoom into the eye and we do the before and we do the after, you can see it has sharpened, but it has sharpened the entire photo. And we just want to sharpen the eyes in this particular case. So what we can do is make sure we've got that layer selected. We'll go ahead and create a layer mask by going down to the layer mask icon and clicking, making sure we've got that layer mask. And what we're going to do is press Command I on that layer mask. That will invert that layer mask for you. And then all you'll need to do is paint in the area that you want selected. So making sure you've got white as your foreground color, clicking, drawing in the area that you would like to sharpen. So I just want to sharpen the eyes in this particular tutorial. And there you go. So if we go ahead and zoom out and we do the before and we do the after, you can see the eyes are sharpened, but the rest of the photo stays the same. And there we go guys. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. You can find my latest 2-minute tutorials just here and my latest videos just down here. But until next time guys, keep creating.